In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark emails as spam in Yahoo Mail. Whether you're trying to declutter your inbox or just tired of those pesky unwanted messages, we'll guide you through the steps to ensure a spam-free mailbox in just a few minutes. To get started, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Yahoo Mail login page. Here, you'll be prompted to type in your Yahoo email address. Simply enter your email address, and once you've done that, you'll see a button that says Next. Go ahead and click on that to be directed to the password input page. It's always a good practice to keep your login details secure to protect your email account from unauthorized access. So, when you're on the password page, carefully type in your password, making sure that caps lock is off. If you're managing multiple passwords, you might consider using a password manager for both ease and enhanced security. Once you've entered your password correctly, click on the Next button again, and this will take you directly into your inbox. Now that you're in your Yahoo Mail inbox, it's time to hunt down those pesky emails you'd like to mark as spam. To do this efficiently, scroll through your inbox and locate the email you wish to mark. Next to each email, you'll notice a small checkbox. Click this checkbox next to the problematic email to select it. This action readies the email for being marked as spam, and doing so helps train Yahoo's filters over time. Now that you've selected the email, look up to your toolbar situated above the inbox section. Here, you'll find a button labeled Spam. When you click on this button, Yahoo Mail will automatically move the selected email from your inbox to your spam folder. This not only keeps your inbox organized, but it also helps Yahoo's filtering system become more adept at identifying similar unwanted messages in the future. If at any point you prefer an alternative method, you can choose to open the email you want to mark as spam. Once the email is open, you'll see the same Spam button at the top of the email. Clicking on this will also move the email to your spam folder, achieving the same result as before. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to mark emails as spam in Yahoo Mail. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain a clean inbox and prevent unnecessary clutter from overwhelming your email experience. Remember, keeping your inbox tidy is a key step to boosting your productivity and making your email time feel a little brighter each day. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!